Kajabi 60-day free trial. Yes, as you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be going over everything you need to know about the Kajabi 60-day trial, going over all the little nuances and pretty much just showing you how you can actually take advantage of this special offer. And all you guys have to do is simply click the top link down below in the video description to take advantage of this special deal. You'll come to a page that looks something like this, and all you have to do is click on start my 60-day free trial to go ahead and activate your exclusive 60-day free trial of Kajabi. And this is a pretty crazy deal, considering that you can normally only get a 14-day trial of Kajabi, or at best, for the most part, a 30-day free trial of Kajabi. But as you can tell by today's video title, you'll be able to get a 60-day free trial at the time of recording this video for Kajabi. Now, do keep in mind this offer may expire in the future. So if it does expire in the future, again, the video description or the link down below in the video description will actually get you the best deal regardless of when you're watching this video. So if you're watching this video from like a year from now, 2 years from now, again, the links down below will be updated for your convenience so you can get the best trial offer and deal for Kajabi whenever you're watching this video. And if you do decide to go through my link down below in the video description, you will get some extra bonuses as well. So I really want to stack the deck in your favor so you can get the best possible head start with Kajabi. And I do have a separate tab over here, and I'm going to actually put this bonus list and all the instructions in the video description for your convenience as well. But essentially, these bonuses right here are going to be helping you get more leads, more sales, and pretty much help you diversify, your income streams as well, as an affiliate, if you want to go ahead and do a bit of affiliate marketing on the side. But in terms of ranking your videos on YouTube, so you can actually get more traffic and more views. So again, you can use these leads, whether you're ranking on Google or YouTube, to essentially get more leads and sales for your own coaching course business, or however you want to promote your business on Kajabi. Because obviously Kajabi, you can launch a variety of different businesses, and you can essentially leverage my bonuses, as a catalyst to essentially get more leads and sales through the internet. So launch your business with the Creator Challenge. And if we just go back over here real quickly, all you have to do is simply email your receipt to this email address right here. Again, there'll be more information down below, but this is just essentially so I can verify that you purchased through my link on my end and all that type of stuff. Anyway, so we'll go over that later throughout today's video, but I definitely want to go over the main point, which is why I'm making this video, which is their limited time Creator Challenge, basically, where you get a 60-day free trial of Kajabi. So launch your business with the Creator Challenge. Launch your business in just 1 month with the Creator Challenge. With the guidance of successful creators and entrepreneurs, you'll leave the challenge prepped and ready to start earning sustainable income online. Join now and get the 60-day free trial of Kajabi. And obviously, in addition to the 60-day trial of Kajabi, you also get the weekly virtual training sessions with expert Alan Yin, exclusive challenge community, and the weekly prompts to keep you accountable, and rewards for completion. So you'll be able to learn from creators, if we scroll down below, who've actually, practiced what they preach. So they've obviously been there. These creators and entrepreneurs will show you how to take control of your business. So this case study right here, she obviously grew her following to over 100,000 followers, but she was working long days and only earning $400 a month, which isn't exactly the best for that amount of reach. And obviously now with her online course on Kajabi, she's built a profitable 6-figure business. So again, the power of actually selling information and selling your expertise and skills and package that into a course format can be very, very powerful. And obviously that's, something you can definitely do yourself, whether you're, a coach or, a consultant. There's also ways you can actually monetize and, basically monetize your audience essentially, through Kajabi as well. So if you scroll down below, meet your Kajabi coach right here. So if you have to create a challenge, you'll have none other than Kajabi hero Alan Yin as your guide. It's obviously a bit of a summary of Alan Yin right here. And as a challenge host, Alan will help you clarify your course topic and outline your course, choose your course's pricing, set up your checkout page, and more. And if we scroll down below, there's a lot more information. So can I cancel my Kajabi subscription at any time? Obviously, yes, you can. Does Kajabi integrate with other tools? Absolutely. Does Kajabi take a cut of my profits? No. When you sell your products using the built-in payments in Kajabi, we don't take a cut of your profits. You keep all the money you charge for your products aside from the standard Stripe merchant processing fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. So this is going to be the challenge. Again, this is going to be for a very limited time. So again, I do want to emphasize that this deal may expire in the future. And if you do come to visit the top link down below and the 60-day trial does expire, there still should be some sort of like free trial offer, so you can still actually test drive Kajabi regardless of when you're watching this video, unless there's like a significant update. And again, the links down below, like I said, will get you the best deal for Kajabi regardless when you're watching this video, essentially, okay? So I want to briefly mention that, and if we just go back over here, so to my little checklist right here for the bonus, as you can see, these are my custom bonuses that you do get 100% for free, by the way. So these are going to be additional free bonuses that you get for free through purchasing Kajabi through my affiliate link down below in the video description, as a thank you for going through my link. So these are going to be the bonuses. So the first bonus right here is essentially how I made $10,000 in a single day at the age of 20 without paid advertising using free YouTube traffic. So this was, yeah, pretty crazy. So I actually made $10,000 in a single day. Just for like one day, obviously I don't make 10,000 in a single day every single day, and by no means, obviously, and I really want to emphasize this, by no means am I insinuating or saying that you're going to make $10,000 in a day. It's just basically a bonus where I show you how I basically made $10,000 in a day for a particular campaign that I ran actually a couple of years back when I was younger. So this is basically like, the first time when I was younger, when I made like $10,000 in a day. And essentially the way I did this, without going into too much detail, is for essentially promoting high ticket offers through YouTube. And I did this using free YouTube traffic. So yeah, the second bonus right here is 100 best recurring niche affiliate programs. So if you do want to promote like affiliate programs that pay recurring, commissions every single month, I've got like a whole list of them right here. The third bonus right here is learning how to make high quality videos or little to no work. Now this is an interesting bonus because obviously if you can create videos on YouTube, you're more likely to get a lot of views, and obviously you won't be missing out on like the floodgates of like, free traffic that you can potentially get on YouTube, because obviously, you can gain like a lot of followers, grow a community. But, if you can actually create videos, because I know like a lot of people are scared to get a camera, or don't like to put their voice out there, or may have anxiety, or all sorts of different barriers that prevents them from like essentially creating content that would otherwise help them grow their business. Well, this bonus right here is going to be showing you how you can make high quality videos with little to no work. And you can essentially do this through using different tools, different text-to-speech type of softwares, and other different like cool little hacks that I go through, and other little secrets that I go through in this particular bonus. That can really, propel you forward, so you don't miss out on the big opportunity of leveraging video to grow your business, whether it's on YouTube or any other platform. Bonus number 4 is how you can actually, rank on Google. So Google ranking secrets. So it's essentially, a good guide and a good foundation, so you can understand how the Google algorithm works in terms of like SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. And of course, if you can actually rank for, buy intent keywords on Google, you'll be essentially getting a bunch of free traffic to your courses and offers, which can potentially be, an amazing benefit for your business. So bonus number 5 is how you can rank YouTube videos. In this case, we're focusing on ranking our videos on YouTube, which again is also very, very, very powerful. So yeah, and then all you have to do is just essentially email me right here with this subject line, Kajabi VIP edition bonus claim. And yeah, once you purchase from my link, just send me an email and I'll confirm from my end that you purchased from my link and send out your bonuses. So just wanted to quickly mention that. And yeah, again, if you do want to learn more, just feel free to click the top link down below in the video description in terms of the free trial for Kajabi. And yeah, thanks for watching today's Kajabi free trial and Kajabi 60-day free trial video. Thanks for watching.